Welcome to ReviewZen. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best neck bladeless fan based on quality, smart features, durability, price, and real user reviews. Check the description below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to ReviewZen for more awesome tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GiziLife FA14X Portable Neck Fan. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with the GiziLife FA14X Portable Neck Fan. Designed with a hands-free bladeless design, this wearable fan provides safe and powerful airflow without tangling your hair. Featuring 5 adjustable speed levels and a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers long-lasting cooling for work, travel, outdoor adventures, sports, or daily commuting. Its lightweight ergonomic neck support ensures all-day comfort, while the quiet 18W motor keeps you refreshed without disturbing those around you. Available in grey, black, and blue, the GiziLife FA14X is the perfect personal cooling companion for both men and women, especially during hot summer days. Number 2. Lenovo Portable Neck Fan. Experience hands-free cooling with the Lenovo Portable Neck Fan, designed to keep you comfortable during hot days and outdoor activities. Equipped with an 8000 mAh rechargeable battery, this wearable fan provides up to 9 hours of continuous cooling on a single charge. Its 100 adjustable wind speed levels let you customize airflow from a gentle breeze to powerful cooling. The innovative bladeless turbine design delivers smooth, even airflow while preventing hair from getting caught and reducing dust buildup. Featuring a soft, flexible neckband for a secure and comfortable fit, it's perfect for commuting, exercising, traveling, camping, hiking, office work, gardening, and more. Lightweight, USB rechargeable, and available in rose pink, starry blue, and deep space ash, the Lenovo Neck Fan is an ideal companion for staying cool anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Kakashi Portable Bladeless Neck Fan. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with the Kakashi Portable Bladeless Neck Fan. Designed with a modern, ergonomic headphone-style shape, this hands-free wearable fan delivers 360 degrees surround airflow through 50+ air outlets to keep your neck and face refreshed. Featuring 3 adjustable speed settings and a dual high-speed turbo motor, it provides powerful cooling while the bladeless safety design prevents hair from getting tangled, making it ideal for both men and women. The large-capacity rechargeable battery offers an impressive 6 to 20 hours of runtime, depending on the selected speed, ensuring reliable cooling throughout the day. Lightweight, USB rechargeable, and easy to carry, it's perfect for travel, commuting, office work, outdoor activities, camping, running, sports, reading, and everyday summer use. Number 4. Delixing Bladeless Cooling Neck Fan. Stay cool even on the hottest days with the Delixing Bladeless Cooling Neck Fan, engineered for powerful, hands-free comfort. Featuring an advanced 5-core semiconductor cooling system, this wearable fan delivers an instant cooling sensation with 28 air outlets that provide full 360 degrees airflow around your neck and face. Powered by a massive 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, also available in an 8,000 mAh version, it offers extended runtime for all-day use. With 5 adjustable wind speeds, an ultra-quiet active noise reduction design, and a lightweight ergonomic fit, it's perfect for outdoor work, travel, camping, hiking, sports, commuting, beach trips, and everyday summer activities. USB rechargeable and designed for maximum comfort, the Delixing Neck Fan is an excellent companion for staying cool anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Lenovo Rechargeable Air Cooling Fan. Enjoy powerful and convenient cooling at home with the Lenovo Rechargeable Air Cooling Fan. Featuring a 25W high-performance motor, this fan delivers strong, refreshing airflow while maintaining energy-efficient operation. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless flexibility, allowing you to place it anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. The included remote control makes it easy to adjust settings from across the room for added convenience. Designed with a modern, compact style and operating on 24V, this fan is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, and other indoor spaces, providing reliable and comfortable cooling throughout the day.